Hi guys, here we've got another video. Just have a look at this blade from a Mountfield lawnmower. This is the actual boss. The silver part is actually broken. There's two lugs that have snapped off. You can see there. I'm going to have a look at repairing that today. Just highlight that for you in red. There's supposed to be two lugs here, and this is what it's supposed to look like with the two lugs on the top. But as you can see, they're broken off, they're sheared off, so I'm going to have a look at repairing that today. Okay, so first and foremost, I'm going to mark the center holes where the lugs used to be, and then I'm just going to drill it out, drill the holes out. As you can see here, I've got this drill bit that cuts the thread as well. So here you can see me just drilling the one side. I'm going to put a bolt in as a replacement, and I'm just drilling the other side here. Just got to get the drill bit central, and I'll just drill the hole here. Speed this section up. Okay, that's the whole drill. Now, as I said before, this drill bit actually cuts thread as well. You can actually just drill it straight in, but sometimes they snap off, so I'm just going to do it manually. So all I'm going to do here, I've already drilled the hole, so I'm just going to wind the boss around the wind the blade boss around the drill bits. The cutting threads, I'm actually cutting a thread in the boss. You can see there, a little close up. I'll just take that off. I'll just wind it off with the drill actually. Okay, I've done both sides. Let's get rid of some of this mess. And that's the boss. So what I'm going to do, I've not got any thread lock, so I'm just going to put a bit of super glue in here. Put a dab of super glue in the holes, as you can see there. And then I'm just going to use these bolts to replace the broken studs. As you can see there, the super glue should hold it in place, stop it from unscrewing like thread lock does. And to show you side view, that's what it looks like. So that's the boss repaired. Just got to put a blade on top of it and then fit it to the machine bolt. So with that pretty much concludes. So thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.